Hi there. Are you preparing to write the ATSWA examinations, ATSWA, which is the Accounting Technician Scheme West Africa Examinations, organized by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria, or you're simply interested in the ATSWA exams and everything concerning it? Well, this video is for you. My name is Queen Chibogokeichuku and I welcome you to the Ask the Accountants YouTube channel. This video will provide you with highlights and introduction to business law, which is paper 3 of the Part 1 examinations of ATSWA. The business law course aims at providing you with the knowledge and understanding of the legal environment in which organizations in general and the accounting profession in particular operate, and the legal implications of business relationships and the relevance of legal rules to the business sector, commerce, and industry. The paper has the following objectives, and on completion, you are expected to know the structure, the jurisdiction, and functions of the legal systems and the rules applicable to them. You're also expected to have a working knowledge of the general principles of contracts to aid your daily accounting activities. Be familiar with the legal rules governing specific contracts. Be able to distinguish between the various forms of business associations and be conversant with the main rules governing their operations. You should also be able to identify and appreciate the respective duties of bankers and customers and recognize the nature of negotiable instruments as may be suitable for use as appropriate in their daily activities or your daily activities as an accounting technician. And of course, be able to apply the principles of law to simple case studies. The paper will be a 3-hour paper divided into 2 sections. Section A awards 40 marks and consists of 50 compulsory questions made up of 30 multiple choice questions and 20 short answer questions covering the entire syllabus. And Section B awards 60 marks, 6 questions out of which candidates are expected to answer any 4 at 12.5 marks each. The course business law covers the following: the legal system and court system, law of contracts, special contracts, law of business associations, banking and negotiable instruments, and of course, law of trusts. If you subscribe to the Ask the Accountant YouTube channel, I will be able to provide you with learning videos that will cover chapters and topics specific to business law as you prepare for your ATSWA examinations. I wish you the best of luck and I'll see you again in the next video.